my minkies. Guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my haul from Bath and Body Works that I got for Black Friday and also either Cyber Monday or Black Friday, either one of them, but I'm sorry for this video being so late. And also I did this video, I believe it's vertically and not horizontally, because I wanted to catch the Christmas tree right here because it's the holidays, guys. Happy holidays. I hope you guys are enjoying your holidays. Christmas is almost here, so let's get started, guys. Okay, so the first one I have is 1 in a Million. 1 in a Million. And the fragrance notes is jasmine extract, tuberose oil, white gardenia, pink pepper, cashmere musk. Now, if I'm slaughtering these words, please let me know, please. Okay, so it says a modern twist on a timeless white floral fragrance created by our master perfumers to make you truly feel like 1 in a million. So let's smell this, guys, to see if we smell like 1 in a million. I really like this one, guys. Ooh, it's not sweet, like sweet smelling. It's like, I'm like getting like this relaxation slash seductive smell. Like, it's just, I don't know if that makes sense, but to me it makes sense. But this smells so good. Y'all, this smells so good. I love it. I can spray this on right before I go to bed after taking a shower, baby. Okay, so the next one we have is Night Blooming Jasmine, guys. So the fragrance notes, now this is a fine fragrance mist, just like the other one was. I don't know if I remember saying that. The fragrance notes is jasmine flower, white musk, and apple blossom. I always love white musk. Something about that smell. So it's sweet with a magnetic floral allure, beautifully intoxicating at any hour. Okay, so let's smell this one, guys. I can wear this. I had this perfume before. I can't put my name on it. I can't put the name on where I used to have this perfume. I don't know what company had this scent, but oh yes, it smells so fresh, guys. I can wear this throughout the day. I had this scent before, but it wasn't at Bath and Body Works. It was at another place that I purchased. I don't know, it was maybe just a random perfume that I got or something. I don't know, but I know that scent is so familiar. Okay, guys, the next one is Snowflakes and Cashmere. This is a fine fragrance mist, and the fragrance notes is vanilla, cashmere cream, caramel woods, and frosted clementine. It's snow beautiful, escape into a sparkling winter wonderland as each snowflake gently falls. Ooh. Okay, so this is not a relaxing scent, and it's not a flirty fun scent like fruity. It's more so like formal, like if you're going to eat out, or if you're going to the club, or if you're going to an event. This smells like that. I can smell the vanilla in it. It smells so good. Heart, it smells so good. Oh, these scents are it smells so divine. Okay, so the next one is Twilight Woods, guys, and this is a fine fragrance mist. The fragrance notes is lush berry, sparkling mandarin, soft mimosa, apricot, nectar, and cypress wood. Ooh, I love anything with cypress wood in it, guys. I just have to have something with cypress wood. It has this certain smell, this certain scent. Guys, you have to smell it. So good. It smells so good. I can wear this before going to bed, throughout the day, this is like a mixture of scents. because I'm smelling like sweet, but it's kind of like formal. You can kind of wear it anywhere. This one is a mixture. To me, it smells so good. You can wear it anywhere. Okay, the next one is Dream Bright Fine Fragrance Mist. Let's see if you guys can see that. Yes. Okay. Fragrance notes: sapphire berries, night blooming orchid, crystallized vanilla, a fragrance dream come true, sparkling with faucets of bright fruits and night blooming florals. Okay, let's smell this one, guys. Oh gosh. Okay, I think this one has to be my favorite. I'm gonna spray this. Oh, you can use this one. It's almost like the last one I just said. You can wear this one anywhere. I would probably wear this one on the go, and also when I'm like going to events or something like that, even formal. Like, this is fruity. You can smell the berries in it, but it's also like this. Oh my God, like heaven smell. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. That one has to be my favorite. This one right here, Dream Bright. Like, it smells so good. Okay, last but certainly not least, guys, we have white t-shirt. Y'all didn't know they had white t-shirt. I don't know if they had just came out with that one or what, but I was like, I got to try that. And I look at all the reviews before I get the ones that I get, and I be like, I gotta get that one. Of course, I can't get all of them, but I gotta get that one. Okay, so white t-shirt, fine fragrance mist. Let's smell this one. It's like a fresh smell, guys. I definitely would use this one. And I didn't even say the fragrance notes. Okay, let me say the fragrance notes. Fragrance notes: crisp pear, fresh white t-shirt, lavender cloud, clean musk, soft sandalwood. I didn't know they had a white t-shirt scent. That's funny. I didn't even know they had that. But that is the fragrance notes, guys. And like I say, it smells fresh. Like, I would use this when getting out of the shower. Also, like throughout the day, like in the morning, like when you take a shower, I would spray this on right after, or when you go to bed. It's even like just to stay fresh. That's what this kind of gives off to me. You can also wear this throughout the day, but to say formal, I don't know. I just wouldn't spray this one for formal. Like, I would spray these two for formal. These two would be for formal to me. These two smell so good. So those are my favorite. Okay, so the one that I love the most would have to be Dream Bright, guys. And the one that I least like, I don't know. I guess I would have to go with, I don't know, guys, because I like all of them. Oh my gosh, I like all of them. Oh my God, I can't figure out which one it is. No, I like this one. It would have to be a mixture between white t-shirt and snowflakes and cashmere. So I think I would say snowflakes and cashmere for right now. I really like this one, but to say if I like this one the most out of all of them, no. I like this one first, then this one, and this one, because I smelled this one before. Like, I just remember that scent. I love that scent. Then you got One in a Million. Then I would say t-shirt, white t-shirt, and snowflakes cashmere, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this Bath and Body Works haul, guys. Thank you so much for supporting your girl and also watching my full video, guys. And I never forgot about that giveaway, guys, so stay tuned for that. And I know y'all like me. Come on now, girl, you've been saying a giveaway. Yes, I'm still planning for that giveaway, still planning for it. But happy holidays, guys. Happy holidays to you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. If I post this before Christmas, if it's posted after Christmas, I'm sorry because I'll be late on posting videos. But I hope you guys go get one of these scents, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment down below which one you think would be your favorite scent, or if you have tried any of these before, what do you think? Let me know, guys. And I hope that you like this video and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified when I post a new video, guys. All right, bye bye, my minkies.